Hi, my name is Leonardo Martinez. I'm studying system engineering. I have 8 years of experience of technical support and analyst level 2. I am 40 years old and I live in Bogota, Colombia. I'm going to talk about ocean and illegal traffic and fraud in Colombia. In Colombia, the traffic and fauna and flora and then the illegal timber trade have caused the country to become more and more damaged in the bad condition. Illegal trafficking of species is an attack on biodiversity. I think as Colombians we cannot allow the natural will of Colombia to be trade illegally and be considered of commodity. This crime is certified in Colombian law, and the Colombian law protects the country fauna and flora. According to the National Policy Statistical Criminal Controversial, this is the CEDCO, this is a nomenclature, the department in which this illegal practice present in Cundinamarca, Santander, Córdoba, Antioquia, Sucre is the best. This practice is mass practice. Among the mass trafficked fauna is turtles, matamatas, iguanas, babillas, parrots, and blue macaws, and spider monkeys. This is the animals most trafficked in Colombia, and finally, I think this practice is very hard because with biodiversity is affected gravity. Thanks.